Hello, I'm Ishani and I'm so glad you stopped by at my channel. Do you recognize him? Maybe you can. But I'm sure if you didn't, now you can. It's Master Shifu from the Kung Fu Panda. And did you know he's a red panda? Do you know where are red pandas found? They're found in the forests of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and the northern mountains of Myanmar and southern China. In India, it is found in 4 northeastern states, and amongst them is Sikkim, where the state has red panda as their state animal. Today, my 5-year-old joins me in crafting for red pandas on the International Red Panda Day. We have 2 cards that we will make with an adorable digital stamp, about which I'll tell you in a while. Let me tell you a little about red pandas. They are very important because they are an indicator of the health of their habitat, and because they're charismatic, they make a great ambassador for the eastern Himalayas. By protecting their habitat, we are protecting a biodiversity hotspot and the origin of the 3 largest rivers in South Asia. Experts estimate that around 15,000 individual red pandas remain worldwide. The main reasons for the population decline are habitat loss and degradation in almost all the range countries. When we know and are aware, we can teach our children and help to spread the word about red pandas and how it is important to protect them and their habitat. My son is joining me to make a card with an adorable digital stamp of a cute red panda, made by a talented friend who also added a lovely handwritten sentiment for us to make cards with. If you're new to digital stamps, check out how I print them in my video linked up here so that you can make cards as well. Now that my baby is coloring with crayons, let me tell you about red panda babies. Red pandas have a 3-month gestation and their mother keeps them in a nest for about 3 months. They're born with grey fur and eyes and ears closed. The babies stay with their mom until the next breeding season. The dad is not involved in the care of the young. But the red pandas are being poached for their fur meat and for pets. You can support strong national and international laws protecting wildlife. In India, red pandas are protected under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which means it is accorded the same protection as tigers. But same is not true for other countries. Also, if you see posts about having them as a pet or showing how they are so cute for pets, set them straight. Red pandas are wild animals. They don't make great pets, and if you are supporting the poaching of them, you are increasing the probability of them going extinct. If you loved this red panda image and the sentiment and would like to use this digital image for making your own paper craft or cards, I have this cute little panda digital file available for free download on my blog, which is listed in the description box below. I would love to see your artwork whenever you use this digital image and share it on social media. I will have the links of my social media platforms in the description box below. Please do tag me whenever you're using this cute red panda. I would love to see your work. Coming to my card, I printed my digital image on Neenah Classic Crest 110 pound paper, and I'm going to do some Copic coloring. I'm using some browns to color my red panda, and I'm going to speed it up because I'm just doing some basic coloring. Also, I did not have the right reddish brown color, so what I do after I color my browns is go over my image with an orange marker YR15. It gives me quite the right shade of a red panda. Also, I miss coloring his feet and arms darker brown, which I'll correct it later, but I have not recorded it, so please excuse that. I think this must be the cutest red panda that I've come across and is set perfectly with the bamboo shoots and sleeping on that log, and with not much availability of stamps of red panda. I think this is perfect for International Red Panda Day. I use dark browns for the log on which the red panda is taking a nap and some greens for the bamboo shoots. Do you know red pandas are technically carnivores, but they have adapted to feed almost exclusively on bamboo. To make my image pop a little bit, I take my lightest blue, I am using B000, and go around my image with it. Now it's time to assemble, and I've printed my sentiment on a paper a little below so as to create a frame. And oh, how much I love the sentiment which says people like you are like red panda, cute and innocent, but very few left. I'm sure my friend wrote it for me. I cut the cardstock to the size of my front panel, and then with the rectangular frame die, I cut a window. so that my red panda can sleep behind that frame. For the card base, I have taken a note card on which I have stuck a diagonal striped pattern paper. After I cut the window from the front panel, now I cut the red panda cardstock so that it fits perfectly behind the rectangular frame. I take the diagonal striped cardstock and first I ascertain the correct position of the red panda and the frame. Then I adhere the red panda cardstock with the help of tape runner and use 3D foam tape for framing my panda. And here is my clean and simple red panda card with an adorable sentiment in die cut negative frame, ready to make somebody's day better. I hope you like our cute red panda cards and our effort to let you be a little more aware about these adorable creations of God that we must protect. Would you want to help protect red pandas? There will be 2 winners chosen from the comments on all the videos in the hop. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Winners will get $25 Red Panda adoption, which is a symbolic adoption where you get an email certificate of the adoption from the Red Panda network. The winner gets their choice of which Red Panda to adopt. There are pictures of them on the Red Panda network. The winner will be drawn on Saturday 26 September 2020. Prizes are open to everyone. Your next stop is linked in the description box. Thank you so much for watching our little contribution to these adorable creatures and for your valuable time. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye-bye.